Hello, my name is John Enns. I am from Canada, but currently living in this beautiful country called Uganda. I am recording this little talk to share with you a decision I made very recently to join a company, a local company right here in Uganda. It is called Digital Adverts Limited, and I want to share with you the reason why I joined this company, and I want to urge you to join it as well. This is just my own personal recording to help you to use it as a tool. If you join, that you can use it to share with others. So let me explain to you why Digital Adverts Limited and why now. Digital Adverts is not your typical network marketing company. Let me list the ways it is different and superior to all others. Number one, there is only a one-time, pocket-friendly membership fee. Other network marketing companies require you to buy their products or services monthly, but for only 100,000 shillings one time, we can take advantage of all the benefits that Digital Adverts has to offer. And I'll talk about those benefits a little later. The second way Digital Adverts is superior is that there is no recruiting necessary. I know so many people don't want to join network marketing because they don't want to have to recruit people. Does that sound like you? And so with Digital Adverts, you do not have to recruit anyone. You can earn an income without recruiting anyone. In fact, you can earn a full-time income without ever recruiting anyone. And then thirdly, there's no monthly quotas. We can move at our own pace and earn accordingly. And then four, instant withdrawals. I know I hear it so often. People have joined a company. They can see in their back office they've earned money, but there's no way to withdraw it, and then the company disappears. That is not the case with Digital Adverts. We can withdraw our earnings immediately on mobile money, and soon they're also adding all banks. You can download your earnings into your bank accounts. But right now on mobile money, I know because I've done it personally, and I know many others who have as well. So as you can see, we do not operate like a typical network marketing company. However, with Digital Adverts, we have the best of both worlds. Let me explain. While it's not required that you share this opportunity with others, once you start earning a daily income, you will most likely want to share this with your friends because you care about them and you want them to benefit as well. And when you do that, you get financially rewarded for it. So what are the benefits of membership in Digital Adverts, and why should you join? Number one, as an active member, you are able to watch adverts on your smartphone or on your laptop. That's right. You watch adverts and you get paid for watching from your home, at your convenience. It just doesn't get better than that. Earn up to 30,000 Uganda shillings daily. Now you understand how you can share it with anyone. You know, major brands are paying big money to join Digital Adverts because with us they have the assurance of knowing that their adverts are being watched, unlike TV or other media outlets. You know, if you're like me, when you're watching a TV program, you're watching it for the program, not for the commercials. When the commercial comes, what do? We turn the channel, we get up and go to the bathroom, and then get back to our program. And you know, companies know this. So with us, they realize that they have a very unique opportunity to have their brand being viewed. So it's really a very much unique win-win scenario. We win by earning to watch videos. The companies win by knowing that their ads are being watched. Just that in itself is a great reason to join Digital Adverts. Imagine paying 100,000 shillings to earn up to 30,000 shillings every day. This really is an amazing opportunity. That amounts to about 900,000 shillings a month. That's more than a lot of people earn working full-time at a job they don't even like. How would you like to quit your job? And listen to this, it only takes 40 minutes to earn 30,000 shillings. As if that's not enough, listen to this. If you do share this remarkable opportunity with others, you earn 40% of their membership fee of 100,000 shillings. That's 40,000 for every person that you bring in. Oh, and you also earn 15% for whoever they bring in, and then another 5% whoever they bring in. So you see, there's really a big opportunity here to earn extra money. So while it's true that you can earn a full-time income without sharing, if you do share, you can earn a lot more. But here's the best part. Benefit number 3. You earn 5% on all your downline's earnings from their ad viewing. Let me give you an example. Let's say you sign up 10 people. Those 10 people each also sign up 10 people. Now you have 110 people on your team. If each one is watching the maximum earnings of 30,000 per day, you earn 5% of 30,000 times 110 people equals 165,000 per day. Plus your own 30,000 for watching ads, that's 195,000 you earn every day, which amounts to almost $6 million, shillings in a month. However, you're not limited to that because you get paid up to 10 levels down. I demonstrated only 2 levels. Folks, the sky truly is the limit with digital adverts. What are you waiting for? I know many of you have lost money with other network marketing companies and you're nervous about signing up again with a new company. I understand that. But you need to know that this is a real legitimate business. And the best part is that it's a local company. The founder and CEO and his team are from right here in Kampala. They have been working tirelessly for 6 years developing this company. And now they have launched in April of 2021. And we are just beginning. Getting in now is the right time. Digital Adverts is registered and licensed to operate in Uganda and beyond. We are here for the long run. Uganda is first out of the gate. What an opportunity that we have to be on this fantastic team. So I urge you, don't hesitate and don't be left behind. Join today for 100,000 shillings. Then get 3 people to join and you have 120,000 shillings back already. You're in profit. It doesn't get better than that. Oh, there's another benefit, benefit number 4. You can buy airtime, pay your bills like electricity, water, and pay TV through digital adverts, either the back office or from their app. And you get paid for doing it. You get 5% cash back every time you buy airtime or pay your bills. Get cash back. All right. There are more benefits to come, but I will stop at this. And just in conclusion, I want to say that I'm making this recording because, I joined and I saw the opportunity, I saw the benefits, and I wanted to make a little recording to help you. If you join, use this to share with your friends, and then you will see how it can help you to get them as well. So don't be left behind. Join today. If you have more questions, please reach out to someone, and I hope you have a great day.